we always worship the Supreme Lord. So that's why we have deities in our temple, and we offer worship to them. And then we also worship the devotees of the Lord. So this is a particular custom, say, or tradition that is found in the Vedic literatures. We not only worship the Lord, but the devotees of the Lord. The reason for that is that unless we get the input or the mercy of the devotees, we can't actually get the mercy of the Lord. So, in other words, the mercy of the Lord is manifest through the devotees, so we have to worship the devotees and respect the devotees to get that mercy of Supreme Lord. So therefore we have a worship of the devotees. So among the devotees, of course, we worship all sorts of devotees. One of the devotees we worship is Guru. We may have an individual Guru, Shiksha Guru or Diksha Guru, we worship that particular person. But for ISKCON, we also have a special position of Srila Prabhupada because he is the founder of this movement. He is the one that took the teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna all over the world. And he has done a very remarkable task of establishing the Gaudiya Vaishnava Siddhanta, or the teachings of Lord Chaitanya, as a major philosophical and theological process that's now established and recognized in various universities and other places around the world. And apart from that, it has also entered the hearts of devotees all around the world in all different countries. So Srila Prabhupada began with a very humble beginning. Of course, he renounced family life. He took sannyas in India, and then he devoted a lot of his time to writing. That is, writing the commentary on Srimad Bhagavatam. And before he went to the Western world, he had completed the first canto in 3 volumes of that work. And with that, he went to America. He took that in his suitcase and got on a ship and ended up in America. And without any contact, without friends or anyone, he began to preach in America. So this was a momentous moment for the whole world because this had not really taken place before this time. There were attempts by the disciples of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur to establish things in England and Germany and Burma, but nothing came of that. But when Srila Prabhupada made this effort somehow or other, the time and the place and the mercy of Krishna and Prabhupada's perseverance and his Shakti, his power was such that suddenly this movement manifested and then began very quickly within, say, 10 years to spread all around the world. And once it was established, Srila Prabhupada had a vision of preserving this movement and letting it expand forever in the material world. So he's taken all sorts of arrangements and measures in order that the movement be preserved. So we should always remember the position of Srila Prabhupada as the founder of this movement, and it's our, say, duty and our obligation and our inspiration to push on this movement of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that is love of Godhead, love of Krishna, as much as we can, and at the same time preserving that initial spirit of Srila Prabhupada with its purity, and also adapting to the local conditions and the conditions of the whole world, so that the movement keeps increasing and spreading the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu around the world. So we should all do our duty to fulfill the mission and the will of Srila Prabhupada by taking up this responsibility. Hare Krishna.